Hi guys, today while playing COC I found a mysterious ship in a broken condition. You can see that if you click it says find out. When you click this find out it goes to the YouTube showing a video. Let's watch what happens.
Hey guys, you ever wonder what's across the water?
Nope. I wonder how we get over there.
I think they want to go beyond the sea, so they are trying to find a way
Any ideas, barbarian?
to cross this ocean.
Why don't we just use that boat?
And there comes the boat. And you can see that in the news site you can see the next part of this video. Let's watch that too.
Captain's log, day one. Discovering new land means new possibilities. I could totally reinvent myself. Back home, I'm hog rider. Back home, I'm hog rider. The epic warrior with a great voice who demolishes castles with his hammer. But in the new land, I could be a new man. I'd call myself Chaz. My neighbor would say, "Hey Chaz," and I say nothing. 'Cause I forgot that's my new name. But when I got to my new job as a gardener, I smiled because he called me Chaz.
That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.